In today's video, we're doing a sparkly oil spill inspired makeup look. First, we're starting with the Blightmoon palette for the dark gray and putting this in the outer corners in the crease, creating a winged-like shape. Then using a lighter gray to blend that out towards the eyebrows. Then using black to fill in the eyelid area, still keeping a winged shape to the outer corners. Making the background darker will help the sparkles stand out more. Then using black under the eyes, and using black eyeliner in the waterline. Then using the green sparkle shade, I'm putting this in the inner corners and a little bit onto the crease. Then using a purple and blue sparkle shade for the middle of the eye. This color shifts to purple in some light and blue in others. Then using a purpley pink shade for above the crease. And a little more of that purple and blue on the outer corners. Then a sparkly yellow. And adding more sparkly green underneath the eyes. Then using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes our sparkly oil spill inspired makeup look. I really love the combination of all the different colors of sparkles to create this dark rainbow oil spill kind of look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching.